So you have blade, max blade, chop, puree, and mix. You also have low, mid, high, and pause. You can see. So once you put this, to unlock it, push it to your right. To lock it, push it to the left. This is blend. Then this is max blend. This is chop and puree and mix. So you have low, medium, and high. So this is how to operate this. Once you put the jug, slide it, push it to your left to close, push it to your right to open, and this one, the same thing, push it to your left to close, then push to the right to open. So this one is mixed, you can see. So the way this operates is you need to put this jug inside, make sure it goes in here. Then you need to slide it to the right, slide it to the left to open it up, twist it to your right. And once you twist it, you will see the light highlighting. This is low. So guys, this is how to operate this. I'm happy with this Ninja 3-in-1 food processor with auto IQ. I'm happy with this stuff. It deserves your attention. Thank you and stay blessed.